Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an information desk call center in TeleWizard. Click on Call Centers in the left navigation, then click on Add a Call Center. From the use cases, select Information Desk and enter your call center name. For this example, we'll call it TeleWizard. You can select your country, number type, we're going for a toll-free number, and time zone, which you can change if needed. For Customer Relationship Management, CRM, I'm not going to choose a CRM for this setup. Next, what other systems do you use? You can select any of the supported systems or choose Other and type in your system. Click Next. In the Knowledge screen, you'll provide your AI agent with information to help them handle calls. Start with your business name, which we'll call TeleWizard, and enter your website. On this screen, you can choose to train your AI agent on your website by enabling or disabling this option. Then you can enter more information like your field of expertise, for example, AI call centers. You can also provide a list of products or services, detailed information about your pricing, and any other notes for the AI agent to consider during calls. You can also provide additional information by uploading documents, providing web pages, or typing the information directly into the field. Click Next. These are the in-call actions listed for the Information Desk Call Center. Request a callback, receive an email, which will send to the specified email when a user requests a callback, get in touch, request a quotation, and report an issue. If you selected different systems, you will have other options in this dropdown. Click Next. On this screen, you can customize the languages for your AI call center. Give your agent a name, select a voice, and type your opening message. You can always add more languages if needed. Click Next. In the Advanced screen, you can enable call history, call recording, and choose to receive call details by email. I'll keep things as they are set up. Click Next, review your choices, and then launch. Congratulations! Your call center is now up and running. We recommend that you test your call center by calling the provided number. You can also give special instructions to your agent in the Special Notes section on the Knowledge screen if you want to fine-tune the responses. Additionally, you can forward the calls you receive on your existing phone number to this new number to have calls answered by our AI agent. Thank you for watching the video and have a great day.